Getting started in cloud computing.
Cloud computing powers much of today's technology. With a growing demand for talent, many wonder how to enter this field without prior experience. The good news is, entry-level cloud roles are accessible if you know where to start. Let's explore proven steps to launch your cloud career from scratch.
Building foundational cloud skills.
Begin with basic cloud concepts such as virtualization, storage, and networking. Free online resources and beginner courses from providers like AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud can help you understand the fundamentals. Focus on learning how cloud services work, what makes them valuable, and common terms you'll encounter.
Earning entry-level certifications.
Cloud platforms offer entry-level certifications like AWS Certified Cloud Practitioner, Microsoft Azure Fundamentals, or Google Cloud Digital Leader. These credentials require no prior experience and prove your commitment to learning. Study guides, practice exams, and course videos are widely available to help you prepare.
Hands-on practice and projects.
Practical experience is essential. Try using free cloud account tiers to experiment with deploying basic applications and services. Document your work, such as simple projects or tutorials, and share your progress on platforms like GitHub or LinkedIn. These examples demonstrate initiative and technical skill to future employers.
Networking and cloud communities.
Joining online forums, social media groups, and local tech meetups helps you stay updated and build connections. Participate in discussions, attend free workshops, and connect with professionals already working in the cloud industry. Networking can lead to mentorship opportunities and open doors to entry-level roles.
Finding and applying for entry-level roles.
Look for positions such as Cloud Support Associate, Technical Support, or Junior Cloud Administrator. Highlight your certifications, projects, and eagerness to learn in your applications. Tailor your resume to each job, emphasizing transferable soft skills like communication and problem solving, even if your professional experience is limited.